What is the use of ExpressJS package?
Express.js is a framework built in top of Node.js that facilitates the management of the flow of data between server and routes in the server-side applications. It is a lightweight and flexible framework that provides a wide range of features required for the web as well as mobile application development. Express.js is developed on the middleware module of Node.js called Connect. The Connect module further makes use of HTTP module to communicate with Node.js. Thus, if you are working with any of the Connect-based middleware modules, then you can easily integrate with Express.js.
Differentiate between process.nextTick and setImmediate.
In Node.js, process.nextTick and setImmediate, both are functions of the timers module which help in executing the code after a predefined period of time. But these functions differ in their execution. The process.nextTick function waits for the execution of action till the next pass around in the event loop, or once the event loop is completed only then it will invoke the callback function. On the other hand, setImmediate is used to execute a callback method on the next cycle of the event loop, which eventually returns it to the event loop in order to execute the I/O operations.
Explain the usage of a buffer class in Node.js.
Buffer class in Node.js is used for storing the raw data in a similar manner of an array of integers. But it corresponds to a raw memory allocation that is located outside the V8 heap. It is a global class that is easily accessible, can be accessed in an application without importing a buffer module. Buffer class is used because pure JavaScript is not compatible with binary data. So, when dealing with TCP streams or the file system, it's necessary to handle octet streams.
How does Node.js handle the child threads?
In general, Node.js is a single-threaded process and doesn't expose the child threads or thread management methods. But you can still make use of the child threads using spawn for some specific asynchronous I/O tasks which execute in the background and don't usually execute any JS code or hinder with the main event loop in the application. If you still want to use the threading concept in your application, you have to include a module called child process explicitly.
What are streams in Node.js?
Streams in Node.js are the collection of data similar to arrays and strings. They are objects using which you can read data from a source or write data to a destination in a continuous manner. It might not be available at once and need not to have fit in the memory. These streams are especially useful for reading and processing a large set of data.